What's going on, everybody? It's your favorite entrepreneur, Chris Nwalor here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to create profitable Google Shopping ads. The reason that you need to learn Google Shopping is because it's really blowing up people's businesses. It's allowing you to test products in your store very quickly at a very cost efficient rate. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to create these profitable Google Shopping ads step by step. I'll see you guys on the computer in a second. Alright guys, we're into the computer, and now I want to tell you guys why it's so important for you to learn Google Shopping, what it's truly done for my business, and the reasons why you should really watch this video until the very end to make sure you grab all this good content in here, and also learn how to run ads with Google Shopping that can truly transform your business. So number one, the reason that I love Google Shopping, honestly, is because it's going to allow you to test all your products. It's going to allow you to stop wasting time getting new videos created, creating new images on Canva for your Facebook ads, and worrying about ad copy and all these different things, and just focus on really just creating good product descriptions, choosing good photos for your items, making sure that you have your descriptions optimized, make sure you have your tags on your descriptions, your actual title needs to be optimized as well with Google Shopping. Okay, and it saves you a lot of time because with Google Shopping, you can test all the products, where with Facebook, you have to test one product at a time because you don't want to send someone for a dog water bottle to a whole, to your main home webpage. You don't want to do that. So before I get into it, guys, for this awesome content, I want you guys to just put up a thumbs up down below, and also just hit that subscribe button because I want to give you guys tons of value, and I want you guys to get all this wonderful content that I'm going to be pushing out every single week. So one of the first things that you need to do to go ahead and get Google Shopping done is you want to create an AdWords account. All right, and to create an AdWords account, all you're going to do is come here to Google, and hold on, let me close this out. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to create an AdWords account. So you come to Google Chrome or whatever, and you want to go to adwords.google.com. All right. When you go to ads.google.com, because they switched it from AdWords to ads. So it's ads.google.com, and it will take you to this page here, and you're going ahead and click start now. And I have a video that really goes through all of this, and I'll make sure I put that in a link popping up above, or you'll see it in the description box below. And you want to watch that video. You're just going to run through this campaign. You click start now or whatever, and you just run through that. So the next step that you guys want to do is you want to create a Merchant Center account. And all a Merchant Center account is, you go to merchants.google.com. All right, so you set up this Merchant Center account, and Merchant Center holds all the products. It holds all your products, and also shows you the diagnostic for any problems that you may be having with your product feed communicating to your Google Ads account. So this is just going to store all your products from your store, and it's going to show you any issues that you may be having that you need to optimize, so that way your product feed can upload to your Google AdWords account efficiently, so you can start running your ads. So you go to merchants.google.com to set that up, and it'll show you all your products that you have. Like for example, here there's 6,000 products, 100% available. So if you scroll down, it'll tell you any problems that you're having with the feed, missing condition, different things like that. I'm going to show you guys in another video of how to efficiently fix any problems for your Google Merchant Center. If you guys want to see that, make sure you put that in the comment section below. Any questions or anything that you want me to cover in a future video. So you want to get that Merchant Center created and get everything on here linked up. Link it to your AdWords account, and then the next step that you want to do is you actually want to go ahead and install Google Shopping feed app to your store. Because a lot of people I see, they use the regular Google Shopping app, and you don't want to do that. And the regular Google Shopping app is in your sales channels. You don't want to use that. You want to use this app here. This is the best app I've seen so far. If you've seen one better, definitely comment it below, and I'll check it out. But the best one I've seen so far is Google Shopping Feed. You want to download this app. And when you download it, you're going to link it to your Merchant Center. You're going to link it to your AdWords account. All right. And what happens is you're going to see all your products submitted. And I'm going to put this in a whole nother video, most likely, of how to run through step by step to submit these products, because it's very, very simple and quick, but there are some key things that you need to pay attention to. So if you guys want me to make that video, let me know below. But these are just the steps that you do need to take before you run your Google Shopping campaigns. And that's the main focus. I want to show you how to create a Google Shopping campaign. It's very important. That's what this video is all about. So what we want to do is, once you go ahead and sync all your products, because what will happen is when you're on the Google Shopping Feed app, it'll allow you to go ahead and sync all your products. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that effectively and the best way possible in another video. So that way now your ads are that app is going to be connected to your Google Merchant Center. It's going to be connected to your Google AdWords account. And that's when you're going to be able to effectively run a Google Shopping campaign. So what I'd like to do first also is you want to make sure that you link AdWords and Merchant Center, and then you sync your products. And then the next thing I love about Google Shopping is that you get a free $100 coupon. All right. So when you're looking through your main home screen, once you log into your Shopify and they put you onto your dashboard on the home screen, if you scroll down, you should see that you have $100 to spend on Google AdWords, and you want to click Create AdWords account. Since you already have it created, it's just going to bring you to a page, and in a yellow box you're going to see it's going to allow you to copy and paste the code that you're going to be able to put into. I'll show you exactly where you can put it into. Come into here, you go into Tools, you go to Billing and Payments, and you go into, Settings. Then when you go into Settings and click Manage Promotional Codes, and you copy and paste that code that it gives you right there, and you'll be good to go. And then you'll apply it, and now you have a free $100 to spend to get your campaigns running, test your products, and that way you won't waste any money first starting out, and you'll be able to really focus on the products that you see is getting the most clicks, and that's getting the most sales. So that's going to really help you out from wasting a lot of money on campaigns. That free $100 should allow you to find that winning product to really scale up and focus on. All right. And you're going to be able to tell different things about your campaign in this AdWords dashboard. This is where we're going to run the ads. This is where we're going to optimize the ads. This is where we're going to do everything to the ads. So the first thing that you want to do is you'll click All Campaigns. All right. After you click All Campaigns, it's going to show you all the campaigns you have, the ones that you have active and inactive. This one should be inactive. Yeah. So the ones that you have active and inactive. And the first thing you want to do after you click All Campaigns is click this plus blue, click Campaigns, and click this plus blue sign and click New Campaign. All right. And you're going to click Google Shopping. I'm going to click Sales. All right. You want the standard shopping campaign. Click Continue. All right. And then what you're going to do is give it a campaign name. So usually if I'm testing all products, what I'll do is I'll call this a Test All Products campaign, and then I'll type in the country that I'm going to be targeting. So for this, I'm just going to be targeting the USA, and I'll call it Max Click. I'll just say $1. All right, so that's what I would name it. I click additional settings, then I'll go to inventory filter, then I'll click filter here. And if I want to put a single item in this campaign and I don't want to run it to all products, I'm going to filter it. But if I want to test all products, I don't need to filter it. All right, but so you guys will know what you need to do if you want to have, maybe you want to just run only one item. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your merchant center, and after your products are all approved, all right, then you can go ahead and start running campaigns. So you see this is 100% active. You're going to go into your merchant center, click on products, then click on feeds. I'm sorry, not feeds, but list. And now it's going to list all your products. And it's also going to have the item ID next to it. So if I want to promote this product here, I'll right click on item ID. Then I'll come back into Google Adwords. Now click filter. Then I'll go to item ID in the filter. And as you can see, it's pulling up a whole bunch of different item IDs. And I'll just paste this one. And then it'll just come up with that one product. And I can just reconfirm it by going back, just double checking it, and yeah, I'll just copy and paste it, and my filter will be on that one product. But this campaign is going to be for all products because I want to test all the products in one campaign. And once I get enough data, then I can choose what product do I want to focus on, unless I already know that the main product that's going to do the most sales. I mean, if I already know that, if I have enough data somehow that has proven that. So I will do no filter for this campaign to test all the products. And then I like to start off with maximize clicks. That's just really going to get you the most clicks. Set the bid to help you get the most clicks within your budget. That's what I like to start off with. They have enhanced CPC. This just basically allows Google to adjust your bid up and down to help increase conversion rates and to also increase your bidding whenever they feel like a customer is going to purchase. And they want you to increase your bid from whatever you set the max bid at. So they'll be able to do that. I like to start off with maximize clicks. Manual CPC is like basically where you get to set your own cost per click. Yeah, so and maximize is really the best way to start off. Target ROAS, return on ad spend. Yeah, that's basically you setting the bids to help you get the most conversions while maintaining your target return on ad spend. We can't do this objective either because we don't have enough data. So we're going to click maximize clicks, and we're going to set this at $1. And then for the budget for the test campaign, I like to set it at $20. Delivery method, we want to click this as standard. Accelerated, you don't want to use that. It's going to just really spend your budget really fast. And campaign priority, if this what campaign priority does is that, for example, this campaign is going to be with all products, so we're going to keep it on low, on the low priority. But if we create another campaign with a product that's in this, with a product that's already in another campaign, we would set that campaign to maybe medium or high. So that way, instead of it taking the bid that we set a $1 bid for this campaign. If we set a $2 bid for that campaign, or 50-cent bid, or whatever bid we set for that one, since we have that priority on medium or high, and this one is on low, regardless if the product is still in this all test campaign, it's not going to allow them to use the bid for this campaign. They're going to use that $2 or 50-cent bid that you use for that medium or high priority. So it's just basically you're saying that this campaign's priority is first before anything else for that product. All right, so we're going to keep this on low here. Networks, search network, I usually keep this on. And then devices, just leave all that. It's going to show on all devices. And location, I start off with United States. And this is very important down below. You want to make sure you click people in your targeted locations for your ads, people in your targeted locations. And when you want to do different states, just create different ads. And you can set a start and end date down here below. And after you set all that, then you can click save and continue. It's going to say select ad group type. You want to select product shopping, promote individual products. I'm going to use this. And then here you can just call it test all products. And then you click save. And I'm not going to run this ad, of course. You're going to click save, and there you go. Your campaign is now running. And once your campaign is running, you'll be able to come, you'll click on the ad, and you'll be able to check the, so you'll start off on all campaigns, and then here's the test campaign. I'll click on it, and it doesn't have any ad group here because I didn't run it, but you'll see an ad group here, and it'll say test all products, if that's what you called it, whatever you called it, and it will be right there. I didn't submit it all the way through, so mine didn't pop up. And what will happen is you can check the product groups. Product groups is just going to show you all the product groups for the campaign. You can also check products. This is just what you can look at for all the products that's in that campaign. Then you can look at keywords. This is where you can add the native keywords, part of the optimization, see what search terms is being searched, things like that. This is really a part of optimization. Audience or whatever, locations. So you can exclude certain locations, maybe certain cities, certain things that you see are not being profitable. You can remove that to focus on certain states within your target location. And you can also create an ad schedule. These are different things that you can use as you're optimizing for your campaigns, and you're just really going to use this after you get enough data. And for whatever campaign you want to optimize, you'll go in here, look at the data. It'll show you the different time of day and the clicks for each one. You can just optimize that, and also by device, so you can exclude whatever. You can edit it, change bit adjustments for each device. If you see that one device is doing better, you can raise it and things like that. And then you go to change history, you'll see all the changes that have been made within the ad. If anybody else is working on your ad, you'll be able to see the different changes that's done and things of that nature. So I've already really ran past the time that I wanted to do for this video. That's why I'm going to break up the other parts of this video into other videos. So I know you guys probably going to be wondering, like, oh, we want to see a video from beginning to end. It's going to take so long if I do that. So if you guys really do want that, I can show it from beginning to end, how to create the AdWords account, how to create the merchant center, how to install the Google Shopping Feed app, how to connect everything, how to do the conversion tracking, all that different stuff, how to click and add the coupon code. If you guys want that, I can do that for you guys. Just type that in the description box in the comment section below, and ask any questions that you may have about Google Shopping or creating any Google ads, or any videos that you would like me to go ahead and create. Make sure you put that in the link below. I want to see you guys hit that like button right now. Also hit that subscribe button. Share this video with anybody you think is going to help. And I really appreciate you guys for watching this. I want to help a lot of people really see some results that they've never seen before. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.